Yo, what's up guys? I'm back. Okay. Welcome back to my channel, Johnny TV in the house. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo ito yung in-unbox natin. Sabi ko, abang-abangan nyo ito ating sound check. Gamit natin na ang male routable Rockstone po, low profile. Ayan guys, ito yung hit na hit ngayon guys ng Rockstone guys. Okay, male guys, male. XLR pin, lalaki guys, ayan. Then 2 3.5mm jack guys, okay. Ayan guys, okay. Okay guys, samahan nyo ko guys, isi-sit na natin guys, okay. Ayan siya, i-focus natin guys, okay. Powered by, ayan, lalaki guys, male, na minsan nabalik-balik tayo guys, apologize na guys, okay. Lalaki, male, XLR, low profile, routable Rockstone guys, made by Roland Pastrana, ProLAN audio cable, okay. Ayan guys, ilalagay na natin guys, ayan, okay. Ang audio source natin ngayon guys is, ayan yung aking, TCL QLED 55 guys, Google TV guys, okay. Bali ayan ang battle mix lang tayo guys, okay. Yan yung audio source natin guys, hindi na tinamad na ako guys mag laptop, okay. Yan ang ating laptop. Big shoutout po, ProLAN audio cable ng Aerod Quezon City din. Ayan, okay. Ayan guys, para makita nyo ko guys, okay. What's up guys, okay. Kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel guys, bibitinin ko muna kayo guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share guys. Din pakihit na rin po yan notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga uploaded videos, okay. GONLEY po TV, okay. Ayan. Ayan guys, yung kanina, ayan, inano natin guys, di ba? Ayan na siya, oh. Ayan, di ba? Nakikita nyo guys, di ba? Powered by yung aking mixer guys is, ayan siya, ilapit natin guys. Trident iMix Curve 8 ganyan guys. Then yung ating, din natin ginamit. Then yung guys, all Rockstone din yung guys. Okay, ipa-plug na natin yung ating guys, okay. Para makita nyo guys, okay. Okay, ayan, ipa-plug na natin sa ating QLED, TCL, ayan guys. So, made by, rin to guys, Roland Pastrana, aka sa kanyang page, ProLAN audio cable guys, okay. Pa-plug na natin guys, para marinig nyo na guys kung ano yung pinaka-quality nyo guys, okay. Then, ayan guys, oh. Ayan siya guys, ayun, di ba, nakikita nyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, nasa channel 4 siya guys, okay. Okay, ipipress natin guys, okay. Then, ayan guys, para makita nyo naman ako guys, di ba? Okay. Ayan, okay. Operated pala ba kay, aka DJ Jones in the house. Ayan. Ay ipipili na natin yung ating Google TV. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na siya guys. Okay. Feel the power guys. Loud and clear. Battle mix. Okay. Ragataki style. Okay. Okay, na siya guys, okay. Okay, hinaan ko muna guys ng konti, paano natin guys. Ayan guys, nakikita nyo, okay. In-unbox natin ngayon, then ito na yung actual vlog natin. Okay, Jolly TV and ayan guys. Battle mix tayo guys kasi naka YouTube tayo, di ba? Ayan. Yan na yung kumbaga performance ng Rockstone low profile routable ano guys, routable siya guys. Okay, yan. Okay, sana guys ayan nagustuhan, ragatak lang guys. Then ayan, powered by Jones Mini Lights and Sounds by Ruhali Taguig guys. Okay, big shout pala kay Ma'am Mernel and kay Boss Larry Lorico. Okay, then to all ating Kalorico apartment room 1 to room 8 po, big shout out po guys. Okay, ayan guys, kung ang ano pala nito guys is RPS Rockstone routable low profile is male XLR to 3.5 jack, 3.5mm jack. Okay, is RP guys 600 po up, depende na lang po sa loko. Sabot nyo po ang shipping fee. Okay, sa mga may gustong mag-avail po, okay, just comment in the comment section or ayan po, or message nyo lang po Rulan Pastrana or Pulan audio cable ng Aerod Quezon City. Okay, okay guys. Okay, okay, itudo na natin guys para ma-feel nyo yung loud and clear guys. Powered by Rockstone guys. Ayan. Yan yung kumbaga hit na hit ngayon at 2024. Okay, okay guys, i-roll natin guys. Okay, ayan guys, okay, yan na guys, oh, yung ating ano guys. Okay, okay, powered by Rockstone guys. Ayan, okay, ayan siya. Then ayan guys, professional AV accessories guys. Okay, then siyempre guys, ayan guys, thank you so much guys, TCL Google Table. Ayan, Google TV. Ayan, kasi yan yung kumbaga audio ano natin guys, audio source natin guys. Hindi na natin ginamit yung ating laptop guys. Okay, ulitin natin guys para mahaba. Okay, guys, para marinig nyo ko guys. Okay, ayan na yung guys, almost ayan guys. Oh, bali ito na yung ano natin ngayon guys, sina-soundcheck natin guys, and tutorial na rin guys. Okay, by Jolly TV and ayan guys, i-share ko na rin guys yung aking guys Jones Mini Lights and Sounds. Okay, ayan guys, powered by ayan guys, mix yung shit ako Joson and share and Sakura concert. Ayan, concert. Then try din guys yung aking power control. Then aking Sonic guys is ayan guys, Sonic Ultramizer guys. Ayan, powered by ano yan guys, oh, Behringer. Okay, ayan, thank you so much kay Rulan Pastrana. Okay, ayan kanyang page, Rulan audio cable guys. Ayan, yan pa lang yung aking volume guys. Oh, then i-share ko na rin yung feed ko guys. Okay, ito yung bass, ito yung mid, ito yung pag naka video kasi guys, hinaan nyo yung ano, nagbibideo, hinaan nyo yung high guys Twitter. Then yung nilagyan konting gain. Okay, konti lang. Ayan na siya guys. Oh, ang linis tingnan, di ba guys? Ayan, oh, ayan na, paring Rulan yung request mo. Okay, ayan guys, gawa ni Rulan Pastrana lahat yan. yung aking connector guys. Pricely siya guys, sa totoo lang, pricely talaga Rockstone guys. Pero solid talaga ang quality. Ayan guys, maya maya ilalakasan natin, okay? Ayan guys, ang linis tingnan siya guys, di ba? Ayan siya guys, ha? Yan ang ating thank you so much kay TCL 55 Google TV guys, QLED guys, okay? Ayan. Ayan, balikan natin guys. Yeah, di akin siguro guys, ayan, ang linis niya. Big shout out kay Dundun Light and Sounds ng Taguig. I-roll pa natin yung camera guys para ayan guys. Ayan guys, halos mapuno na guys. So, alon na lang. 4 pieces na lang yung kulang guys. Ayan, siguro ito gawin na natin. Ayan, aking mga collection guys. Collection by DG Jones. Okay. In the house. Ayan guys. Okay, dadagdagan natin yung ayan guys. Yung volume na guys, gawin natin nasa 58%. Ayan siya guys, okay. Siyempre dapat kasama ako guys, diba? Okay. Yo, what's up guys? Ayan guys. Yan na yung ating ano ngayon guys. Sound check and tutorial na rin guys, diba? Ganyan siya ka-loud and clear guys. Diba? Powered by Jones Audio Light and Sound System ng Taguig, okay. Guys, okay. Yan guys, yung ating pihit guys, ayan. Halos ano lang siya guys, 0 dB lang siya guys, ayan. Moving lahat yung ating processor guys. Halos 0 dB rin dito guys, 0 dB rin dito guys, okay. Ganyan tayo pumihit, okay. Pihit by DG Jones in the house, okay. Ragatak lang tayo guys, okay. Ayan guys, haba-habaan natin guys para may sabihin nyo hindi bitin guys, okay. Ayan guys, powered by ano pala guys, any rental and any setup po guys, kahit ano guys, panlakihan, pangmaliitan guys. Just message lang in message comment section guys. Okay. John Lee TV, comment lang kayo guys in comment section. Any rental guys or any setup guys, okay. Siguro guys, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and God bless us all.